Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Siyati Duhali, 25 years old, a single mother with one child, ages 7 years old daughter. I am a college level 2 years undergraduate. I have experience here in the Philippines as a helper. My first employer, year 2018 to 2020, a family of 4, one couple with 2 kids, ages 4 years old and 8 years old boys. I do cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, and taking care of the kids. Send and pick them from school. My second employer, year 2021 to 2024, a couple with no child. My main duties is to clean the house, marketing, washing the clothes, cooking, and driving. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, and patient. Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication, and I will treat your family as my family too. Thank you!